Hello all, I'm going to do a review on my Decathlon UV arm cover sleeve. Well, I've been using this sleeve for all my trip in Hong Kong during summertime. This one weighs about 50 grams. And the length is about 45 centimeters long. And this is a comparison with my previous sleeve. You can tell that the fabric is a little bit thicker on the Decathlon one. So I try to soak it under the water, but maybe there's some DWI finish on the sleeve. So as you can see that the sleeve is not even totally wet at all. But I don't think I need this function, honestly. Okay, so here's the fitting. There are actually two sizes available for this sleeve, and I'm getting the size large because this is brand new, so I find it the sleeves are quite tight, but the arm lengths are long enough for my use, and I'm 168 centimeters tall. There are two benefits of using this. One is to protect yourself from the sun. You stay cooler. Another one is you don't need to use sun cream on your arms, and you save money. But I do find it to be harder to wear compared to my old one. I think perhaps the fabric is thicker on the Decathlon one. But I do have a trick for you. The trick is to soak the sleeve with water. You feel super cool even on the hottest day. To conclude this, I would highly recommend this kind of product if you hike in hot weather area where you are exposed to the sun all the time. It works. Personally, I like my old one better because it is thinner and cooler, but the Decathlon one is just half the price. So it's a good value and a good pick for your money. I hope you find this review useful, and I will see you later.